Hi, welcome to the Iron Tech, and this is very demanding service. That is Pinterest services. A lot of people, lot of resellers are on different platforms, freelancing for Upwork, Fiverr, Facebook pages. Everywhere the people are seeing about Pinterest services. I want to improve my Pinterest accounts. I want need more services. Then this is the right website. This is the best video that you are looking for. Pinterest services, come on this website, select the category, then there is order services. There are five important services that are highly recommended. One is Pinterest repins, then Pinterest repins and other services. Then there is a third service, Pinterest refill, and this is 1K per day. Pinterest followers, Pinterest saves, plus pin clicks plus impressions. For example, let's see how much minimum amount of the order you can give on 267, that is 100. Then from here this is also just 20. Then repins just 20 minimum amount. Then followers minimum amount, and then minimum amount is just 1. Sales plus click plus impression on a same service. These 201 service is highly recommended to a person, to a reseller, to the client who is interested to get the Pinterest service to increase the Pinterest accounts. Then I will highly recommend the service of 204. You should select here link quantity. Yes, I have confirmed and place the order. I hope you have liked this video. See you in another video. Goodbye.